Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Winner Global Consultancy. So friends, here I have a good news for all of you. As you know that Chinese government announced scholarships again and they are inviting international students to study there for bachelor's, master's and PhD programs. So they have also announced this year fully funded scholarships. We will discuss in details how much amount they offer, which programs they offer. We will discuss in details. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, to like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can receive all upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see Chinese government announced different type of scholarships. Here all guidelines are present to apply for Chinese government scholarships. First you can see here application guide for Chinese government scholarship, guideline to the Asian China Young Leadership Scholarship, MOFCOM Scholarship CSC program. This program is through Embassy Trek, Chinese Trade Union Silk Road Scholarship, Peking University. Peking University is one of the best and one of the top universities in the world. Renmin University of China Belt and Road Scholarship, Renmin University of China International Students Scholarship. So all these are different types of scholarship and their deadlines varies university to university. So we will discuss here application guide for Chinese government scholarship. Here scholarship categories and application. Bilateral program. The program accords with the cooperation and exchange agreements reached by the Chinese government and the governments and institutions of other nations. It is open to undergraduate, postgraduates, journal and senior scholars and PhD scholars. An applicant shall file an application with the dispatching department of their home countries. The scholarship through Embassy Trek is a scholarship category A that you have to apply through your country's embassy. And second scholarship type is university program. This university program, for example, first you will apply for your admission. If you will be selected, then automatically you will be considered for university scholarship or CSC Chinese government scholarship. Here some student exchange programs and supporting measures. Most of the majors institutions of China offers scholarships. Duration for bachelor's degree program, they offer a scholarship up to the 4 to 5 years, and for masters, if your applying program or major is in Chinese Start program, then you have to complete your degree in 4 years. If your program is in English, then your degree will be complete in 3 years. Here are some different institution majors. You can see all programs related to science, engineering, agriculture, medicine, economics, law, management, education, history, literature, philosophy and fine arts and all others. Here is scholarship coverage of Chinese government. All your tuition fee will be exempted. Free university dorm will be provided to you for your accommodation, and they also offer a stipend, monthly stipend For undergraduate, they offer 2,500 Chinese yuan renminbi per month. For master's students, they offer 3,000 Chinese yuan per month, and for doctoral program 3,500 per month. And your medical comprehensive insurance 800 per year per person. So this is the scholarship coverage and eligibility criteria. To be eligible, an applicant must be a citizen of a country other than the PRC and in good health both mentally and physically. PRC, Republic of China, People's Republic of China. Be an academically excellent holder of high school diploma or its equivalent under the age of 25 when applying for an undergraduate program, and your age must be under 35 when you are applying for master's program, and if you are applying for PhD, then your age should be under 40 years age. For Chinese taught programs, you should have passed HSK 3. Its requirements for Chinese government scholarship, here you can see I have mentioned in blue line. Now application process, how you have to apply for this scholarship program. First you have to select university according to your choice, and then you have to come on this official website. You can find it in description of this video. An applicant shall reach the designated university for admission documents. An applicant shall reach an application receiving agency for a recommendation. Then application documents. Number 1, application form for Chinese government scholarship that you have to fill online. Then all your academic scanned documents, your passport, your latest degrees, transcripts, certificate of your language proficiency, and research plan. For example, if you are applying for PhD, and if you are applying for an undergraduate or master's degree, then statement of purpose is required, minimum 800, and 2 recommendation letters, and foreign physical examination form. This is medical form you have to submit with your documents when you will apply for online, and police clearance certificate. You can get it from your domicile city. So all these are the requirements about Chinese government scholarship. This is time to apply for this opportunity. If you have any further question about this, you can ask in comment box, or you can directly contact me on Telegram group. So that's it in this video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.